Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the digestive system. So first of all, we'll discuss what is digestion. The complex food materials are broken down into simpler forms in our digestive system, and this process is called digestion. Next one is function of the digestive system. So what are the functions of the digestive system? First one is it ingests the food. Second one, break down food into nutrient molecules, and the next one is absorb molecules into the bloodstream, and then the last one is rid the body of indigestible remains. This is the picture of digestive tract. Our digestion starts from the mouth and ends with the anus. Food enters into the mouth or oral cavity, and there are three pairs of salivary glands in our mouth. They secrete saliva. There are four types of teeth. They are incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. First of all, we'll discuss about incisors. Incisor teeth are flat in shape. They are present in front of the mouth, and their function is to bite and cut the food. There are four incisors in the upper jaw and four incisors in the lower jaw. Next to incisors, canines are present on either side of the flat teeth or incisors. They are used for tearing the food, and there are four canines in all. And the third one is premolars and the fourth one is molars. Premolars and molars both are broad and grooved teeth. They are present at the back of the mouth, and they are used for chewing and grinding the food. There are 8 premolars in all, 4 in the upper jaw and 4 in the lower jaw. They are next to the canines, and the molars come after the premolars. There are 12 molars in all, 6 in the upper jaw and 6 in the lower jaw. The saliva we secreted from tongue gets mixed with the food and makes it soft. So function of saliva is to make the food soft, and it converts insoluble starch into soluble sugars. From mouth, the food goes into the food pipe and then enters into the stomach. From mouth, food enters into the stomach through the food pipe or esophagus. The stomach is a muscular, J-shaped bag-like organ in which food can be stored for a few hours. Here, food mixes with digestive juices secreted by the walls of the stomach, and food is partially digested here. Next organ of our digestive system is liver. Liver is the largest internal organ. It produces bile, which helps in digestion of food. From the stomach, the food is passed into a long coiled structure, that is small intestine, which is approximately 7 meters long. I told you liver produce bile juices which help in digestion. Pancreas also secrete pancreatic juice. It also helps in digestion. So liver and pancreas pour their juices into the small intestine. These juices get mixed into the food and completely digest the food. The wall of the small intestine absorbs the digested food and pass it into blood. Then blood carries the digested food to all parts of the body. Blood carries the digested food to all parts of the body, and the undigested food passes into large intestine, which is approximately 1.5 meter long. The walls of the large intestine absorb water from it and then pass it into blood. The undigested semi-solid waste is collected in the rectum and is eliminated through the anus as feces. Anus is the exit point. It helps to get rid of unwanted or undigested food as feces. We have already discussed about the digestive system, and this is the flow chart of digestive system. So digestion starts from the mouth. In mouth, tongue and teeth are present. Here the food is broken down into smaller pieces and chewed. Then the chewed food through the esophagus or food pipe reach in stomach. Here food lives for some hour and partially digested. Then from stomach the food reach into the small intestine which is 7 meter in length. Here liver and pancreas pour their juices into it and they get mixed with the food and completely food digestion takes place. From small intestine, the undigested food goes into the large intestine. Here, large intestine absorb water from it and pass it into the blood. Then, the undigested semi-solid waste is collected in rectum and through anus, the undigested food materials eliminated as feces. This is all about the human digestive system. Thank you.